Today, I'll show you how to resize, shrink, and expand your disk partition step by step. Whether you need more storage or want to organize your hard drive, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. Click on this PC. If you don't see it again, find and click on this PC. Click on Manage. Now go to Disk Management. If you want to separate a disk, right-click and explore the options. Follow the process exactly as I do. Right now, I have a blank, unallocated disk and I want to make it usable again. My current disk size is 1 GB and I want to expand it to 2 GB and use it. Click on Disk C. Now, click on Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to create in MB. Click on Shrink. Now, my disk is expanded from 1 GB to 2 GB. Click on the 2 GB unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Assign a drive letter of your choice, then click Next and finish. Now, you can use your newly created 2 GB disk. The 2 GB disk has been successfully created.